Hey, up in Canada, well, it was a bit snowy today, so I thought I should go check the weather network, and, here's what it says, -5, so I guess I don't need, gloves or anything like that, so, let's go take a look. As you can see, I just gotta force the door open. You gotta run the start. You better come outside. Put my iPod over there. Throw it inside. So if you just make all this small amount of snow, you could just. If you just work your way around all the snow around here, since there's just slight flurries going on day to day, as you can see, we're just in a small flurry right now, and let's go check out over here. So as you can see, it's about up to like the 4th step or something like that. That could be a problem, but if you're like an inventor Canadian like me, you could just fucking jump right off. I think there's enough snow there, so I could be safe. Do you think this is a good idea?
I don't know.
You better not miss this one, because it's gonna be really fucking. Fucking.
It was what? Did you think about how you're gonna get back up here?
Alright, just go up the stairs. They just have a little bit of snow on it.
Go back in.